Putting together an outfit can be very simple if you have the right strategy. In this video, I'm sharing my simple outfit formula, so you can learn how to put together an outfit with this quick and easy strategy. Julie Murrell here, certified image consultant and creator of my online coaching program, Professional Style Essentials, where I teach professional women in STEM how to build a style that makes them feel comfortable in their skin, expresses their personality, and commands respect. For a practical approach to developing your confidence through style, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. In many ways, putting together an outfit is similar to creating an engineering design. You're simply assembling different parts to create something new. Putting together an outfit is also about assembling different parts, which can be summarized by the outfit formula. The different parts of an outfit include jackets, pants or skirts or dresses, tops, and accessories. That's it! Now all you have to do is assemble them. This is where it's easy to get tripped up and second guess what goes together. So here are 3 principles to stick to when assembling an outfit. Principle number 1. Style. Each part of your outfit should be a similar style. For example, if one piece is very elegant, the rest of the outfit should also be elegant. If one piece is sporty, the rest should have a more sporty vibe too. Principle number 2. Color scheme. There are many different ways of coordinating color, but as a guideline, it's best to have an overall theme, whether it's neutrals or adding pops of color. Pro tip, if you wear a pop of color, it's best to wear that color in 2 places on the outfit so that they tie into one another. Principle 3. Formality and refinement. Some pieces have a more formal finish than others. Formal pieces will be more structured or tailored, usually in a dark matte fabric, more simple, and in neutral colors. Less formal and more casual pieces will have more variety in fabrics, a loose or more flowy drape, more colors and prints, and may or may not be tailored. Okay, so these are the different parts that you have to work with and the basic guidelines to know how to put them together. Now here are the 4 steps to put it all together. By the way, I do recommend following these steps in order because this strategy sets you up to have a complete and coordinated outfit while getting more use out of more of the items in your wardrobe. Step number 1, choose your key piece. Your key piece will be some type of jacket or third piece. It could be a blazer, bomber jacket, cardigan, a leather or jean jacket, a military style jacket, or a vest. When choosing your key piece, take into consideration what you'll be doing, where you'll be going, who you will be seeing, and your purpose or intention for the day. In other words, how you want to come across. When you approach dressing in this way, you can start to be intentional about what you are wearing. Having a reason behind your choices is what will give you the confidence to own it and make yourself visible. While you should dress in a way that makes you feel confident, when dressing for work, it's also important to be appropriate. In order to be appropriate, we also need to take these external factors into consideration so that what you wear enhances your presence and so you are visually coming across effectively. For example, let's say I'm an electrical engineer and today I'm going to be giving a presentation followed by a business lunch, and then a meeting with clients in the afternoon. I will want to dress in a way that conveys credibility and authority, considering what I'll be doing, the settings, and the people I'll be seeing. Since a blazer is a symbol of authority, I will definitely be wearing a blazer, and I'll choose one that is a bit more simple to look a bit more formal. This is the first step to put together an outfit for work. But let's say it's a sunny Saturday and you're not working. You may not need to or want to wear that extra layer. And even for some casual looks at work, you don't always need this third piece. If that's the case, just go straight to step 2. Step 2, choose your pants or skirt or dress. Obviously, you can only wear one of these at a time, so when you're putting your outfit together, you'll be choosing one of these. The decision might be made for you based on what you already have in your wardrobe. But if you have a few options, narrow them down by applying the 3 guidelines. Based on the key piece, choose bottoms that are a similar style, have a similar color scheme, and are a similar formality and refinement. As an example, let's build off the blazer we chose in step 1. The style of the blazer is elegant and a bit feminine, with a tailored fit, a classic shape, and details on the cuff and hems. It's neutral, so I could pair it with another neutral or add in some color. As a blazer, it looks formal, but with a slightly longer hem, some texture to the fabric, and the detail on the cuff and hemlines, it gives it a little bit more of a casual look. So here are a few options to pair it with. A pair of elegant dress pants that fit really well for a more formal look. A pair of textured wool dress pants that also fit well and teeter on the line of casual and formal. Or a pair of black or dark denim that also fit well but give a more casual look. All 3 of these options coordinate well with the jacket. Beyond that, it becomes important to gauge how others will be dressed. As a rule of thumb, it's always best to be dressed just slightly more formal than those you will be meeting with, especially if you are meeting someone for the first time and or want to be taken seriously. What are some occasions that you've had to dress for at work? Have you given presentations, meetings, or do you mostly work remotely? Let me know in the comments below. Step number 3, choose your top. The easiest way to add some personality to your look is with your tops. If you're slowly easing into the idea of wearing more color and prints, trying these out with your tops is the best way to do it. Because most of it is covered by the blazer anyways, but it still gives that extra touch of flavor to your outfit. If you prefer to keep your look understated, you can choose colors that are softer or more subtle, or even just stick to neutrals. When choosing a top, once again, go back to the 3 principles: style, color scheme, and formality or refinement. So far, we have built our outfit using pieces that are pretty classic and midway between casual and formal. With this example, a plain t-shirt would be too casual. Since the look we've put together so far is more elegant and feminine, a similar style would be ideal. Something with a classy neckline, a flattering color, or a nice print. When you are choosing a top to wear with a blazer, the sleeve length doesn't matter unless you will be taking off your blazer. If you think you might be taking off your blazer at some point, wear a top with a sleeve, long or short. If you will be keeping your blazer on all day, a thin strap would also be fine. Step 4, add accessories. Depending on your style, you may prefer more minimal jewelry, like a simple pendant necklace, studs, and a watch. If you do have a more simple style, by all means, keep a few go-to accessories. On days when you do need to dress up a little bit more, it's a good idea to keep a set of more dressy accessories, like some drop earrings or a more noticeable necklace, like a pearl necklace or a precious gem pendant. These are still really simple, yet a bit more elevated. If you like to be a bit more playful with your style, give yourself a few more options with your accessories that you can coordinate with your outfits. A good mix of simple pendants, larger statement necklaces, different metals, and other materials can add some fun details to your outfit. Just like with the other outfit items, you do still want to coordinate your accessories using the 3 principles: style, color scheme, and formality and refinement. Extra pointer: when it comes to shoes and handbags, these items should generally be investment pieces. This means paying a little bit more for a really good quality pair of shoes and a good quality classic handbag that you can wear with most, if not all, of your outfits. Ideally, you want to streamline your wardrobe so all of your pieces can be easily mixed and matched. When you do have a streamlined wardrobe, you really only need maybe 1 or 2 good quality pairs of shoes. Of course, if you're a shoe girl and you love having a few different pairs, like me, go for it, but make sure they coordinate with the clothing that you already have. So this is how you put together an outfit. But in order to do this, you need to have a solid core wardrobe with the right pieces so you can create more outfits with less clothes. If you want to know what you really need for a minimal and interchangeable wardrobe, download my checklist of the 17 essential items for a core professional wardrobe for a more simple wardrobe with less overwhelm. I hope this video gave you a practical strategy to put together an outfit to save you from overwhelm and stress when you're getting dressed every day, so you can feel confident and look put together as you continue to grow professionally. Because you matter, and it matters that you are seen and heard. If you like this video, be sure to hit like and subscribe to my channel, and catch you in my next video.